Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for all you Demon Slayer fans out there. Have you ever wanted to learn how to draw Muichiro Tokito, one of the popular characters from the anime? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do just that. So, let's dive into the exploration and development of this drawing. The first step is to sketch out the basic outline of Muichiro. Focus on getting the proportions right and capturing his distinctive features. Now, here comes the key moment, capturing Muichiro's signature expression or hairstyle. This step is crucial in making your drawing truly resemble the character. Pay close attention to the details and take your time to get it just right. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with dedication, anyone can improve their drawing skills and create amazing artwork. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't turn out perfect on the first try. Keep practicing and you'll see progress. And now, for the call to action. I encourage all of you to give drawing Muichiro Tokito a try. Share your creations in the comment section below. I'd love to see how your drawings turn out. Also, don't forget to check out more drawing tutorials on my channel for more inspiration and tips. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. Remember, practice, patience, and passion are key to improving your art skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy drawing!